Welcome students. Everyone ready? Okay, so let us start with our science class today. Today students, we are going to start with a new chapter, and that is the chapter, only one word I am going to tell, that is plants. Like so every one of us has gone through the plants around us, yes or no? How many of you have seen plants around us? How many of you have seen plants around us? Yes. So Nandini is telling yes, ma'am. And all of you, please put your attendance one by one. Every day I will not tell about that one because I know all my students are very intelligent. They will do on their own only. Yes. So, excuse me. So, everyone has gone through the plants around us. Now, today I am going to show you and teach you only the 3 words. Plants which we say are of 3 types. First of all, very small. Everyone take out your copy and please get your pencil and eraser. We are going to do drawing today. Will you like to draw with me? Come on, let's do the drawing. Okay, so here comes so here I'm just showing you the lower part of the plant. Still, it should not be shown. This is a plant in a pot. Okay, just look at the size. Just look at the size. It is having one small stem and 2 leaves. Just very small. Very small. That is in Bengali where we are telling chara gach. ওকে তোমরা বাড়িতে শুনে থাকবে মা বলে আমি একটা ছোট্ট চারা নিয়ে এসেছি চারা মানে হচ্ছে ভেরি স্মল বেবি লাইক ইউ ওকে তোমাদের সবার মতন ছোট্ট ছোট্ট বেবি সো বেবি প্লান্টস আর কল্ড স্যাপলিং baby plants are called sapling. So everyone draw a baby plant and write the word sapling. It's sapling. So sapling is a baby plant. Chara. Sapling is a baby plant. এটাকে আমরা কিন্তু plant বলি না এটাকে আমরা sapling বলি. The English word for the very small plant is sapling. Okay. Now, if I take another one, so here you can see the size of the plant, right? Here you can see the size of the plant. It is quite little bit bigger in size. It is having a green stem which is little bit strong and many leaves are there. So a middle size plant, a little bit medium size plant, that is known as plant. This one we can say plant. Okay. This one we can say plant. This is sapling, baby. This is plant. Now, the very strong, big and strong plants, very big and strong plants are known as trees. Okay. very big and strong plants are known as trees, right? So here comes baby plants, sapling, medium sized plants, that is known as plants. These are actually plants. These are called not plants, saplings. And big, very big and strong plants. Definition of tree. Big, very big and strong plants are known as trees. Are known as trees. I would request Brothin's parents, let me see Brothin, where is my student, ma'am? Can I see Brothin? So here comes the word tree. So we learned three: sapling, plant, tree. Sapling, plant, tree. So this is the three things which we have learned today. Today I am going to teach only these three things, that is difference between sapling, plant and tree. First you understand the matter of trees. কোনটাকে sapling বলে, কোনটাকে plant বলে আর কোনটাকে tree বলে, এইটাকে আমরা আগে জানবো. Then after we will go in depth of our chapter. ওকে, আমরা প্লান্ট সবাই জানি, কিন্তু প্লান্টের পাতা থাকে, ফল থাকে, ফুল থাকে, এটাও আমরা সবাই জানি। কিন্তু হঠাৎ করে যদি কেউ তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করে চারা গাছকে কি বলে, তখন কি হয়ে যায়? ম্যাম তো এটা শেখায়নি, রাইট? তো আজকে আমরা শুরু থেকে শুরু করব। একদম তোমার মতন ছোট্ট বেবি গাছকে আমরা স্যাপলিং বলি, তার থেকে একটু বড় মানে দাদা দিদিদের মতন গাছকে আমরা প্লান্ট বলি, অ্যান্ড দেন আফটার বাবা মায়ের মতন গাছকে আমরা ট্রি বলি। ওকে, ক্লিয়ার? ক্লিয়ার? ইয়েস অর না? ইয়েস অর নো? ক্লিয়ার অর নট? তোমার মতন ছোট্টকে স্যাপলিং বলি, দাদা দিদিদের মতনকে প্লান্ট বলি, আর বাবা মায়ের মতনকে কি বলি? ট্রি। তো yes, very good. So let this concept be clear. Everyone will draw these three pictures in your copy. You will write it, write the heading, and your activity will be today you are going to color them. Okay, today you are going to color them. You can draw one picture on one page also. One picture on one page also. It is not, yes, very good. It is not necessary that you have to draw all the three pictures on one particular page. You can draw in your drawing book also. You can draw in your science book also. Okay, very nice. So everyone color it. In next class I will check it. Bye bye students.